Unit 6, Australia. Listening 6. Read and listen.
Australia is the biggest island in the world. A lot of people in Australia live by the coast. They like surfing and going to the beach. Australians speak English. They sometimes call their country Oz. The biggest city in Australia is Sydney. There's a big bridge in Sydney. It's called Sydney Harbour Bridge. You can climb it. Look at the picture. This is what you can see from the top. There are lots of mountains in Australia. The highest mountain in Australia is Mount Kosciuszko. You can ski there in winter. The Great Barrier Reef is in the sea off the coast of Australia. It's very big. You can see it from space. There are lots of deserts in Australia. Australians call the desert the outback. It's a very dry country. The Great Victoria Desert is the biggest desert in Australia. Australia has got lots of special animals. Kangaroos can jump 3 meters. Koalas live in trees and eat the leaves. The emu is a very big bird. It runs very fast, but it can't fly. There are crocodiles and snakes too. They're dangerous.